Good morning, Nugget here.
Good morning.
Did you sleep okay?
Delos, this is SV Alma, over.
What?
Somebody's calling us.
Who is that? It's like
I don't know.
super early in the morning.
Hello, good
It's like
morning.
6 a.m.
SV Siamo, this is SV Delos, over.
SV Delos, this is pretty surreal. I've been following you guys for years. And I was just U2 down here, and I look up on my AIS, and who is there? SV Delos.
Oh, that's awesome, man. Yeah, we just left from San Juan last night, and we're headed through to Great Inagua Island in the Bahamas, over.
Okay, we're basically heading in the same direction. I have a small problem. I'm single-handing, and my autopilot broke. I have a proposal to you. If one of your crew members would be willing to help me out steering the boat, maybe for $200 a day. Over.
Oh man, that really sucks. I'd love to help you, but it's actually just Karen and I and little Sierra on the boat, and she's only 6 months old, so unfortunately I don't think she'd be much help, over.
No, I don't think so. Well, that's great. I read all about your baby and the great news, so congratulations to you guys. Well, we'll probably be bodyboarding for a while, so at least I have some company. Over.
Oh, that's nice. Bummer about his autopilot, though.
We're gonna get some rest. You guys have fun, okay? She looks like a crazy child. Ah.
You're a sailing baby, Nugget. Look at the sunrise is coming up. Sunrise is coming up. And it's a beautiful day to be on the ocean. Somebody called us on the radio, but we couldn't help them because we don't have any extra crew this trip. It's only me, you, and your mommy. And you can't even drive a boat. Anyway, today we have more of the same. We're going to watch the boat. We're going to watch out for other boats. And we're going to surf down some waves for probably 2 more days. And then we'll be there. Sound good? Yeah, it's a good plan. Anyway, we made pretty good miles yesterday. I think we almost did between 170 and 180 miles.
Oh wow.
This is a pretty good day. It's under 300 miles to go now.
That's amazing.
And I think tomorrow morning we'll have to make a decision on if we want to stop somewhere or not, or if we feel good, then we'll just go through all the way.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna get a little bit of rest.
Yeah.
Enjoy the morning.
Thank you.
You playing by yourself? Pika, 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 pika. Boo! Pika, pika, pika. Boo! Nuggets. Upside down nuggets. Whee! Right side up nuggets. Baby kisses. Baby kisses. Baby kisses. Upside down nuggets. Ah. 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 Oh, oh, night, oh, night, night on my sunglasses. No, don't eat my sunglasses. No, 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 no. Pika, pika, pika. Boo! Gotcha, gotcha. That's fun. That's fun, Sierra. We're having fun. This is what we do at sea. We go crazy, huh? Yeah, pretty much. Just because we're at sea doesn't mean the nugget stops pooping. In fact, the bag is full. Oh, it's like real poo. Round 2.
Oh no!
And I want to get rid of some of that, see if I can wash it out before it gets too crazy in the heat in there. And the conditions have calmed down enough to where I think I can run the washing machine. I've never run it at sea, but I'm gonna give it a shot. I don't see how it could possibly hurt it just because the boat's moving around a little bit. Okay, first step generator on. All right, we got a fresh one, in there, and we got a hefty bag that's been stewing in the tropic heat. Oh. Okay. Sometimes I have to hold my breath because otherwise I gag. I don't really do well with smells. Get in there. Okay, we're safe. I do terrible with smells, really. Well, the breeze has pretty much come around dead behind us, so I think I'm gonna put out the mainsail. We'll do a little bit of wing on wing on wing, see if we can get an extra half knot or something out of this big old tub. Yeah, it's a good idea. But because of the swells, I'm definitely gonna have to prevent it. Otherwise, you could do a jibe and that wouldn't be very nice. So I'm gonna go put the preventer on. Actually gave us another knot, solid knot. Nice. Cruising. It's amazing that the power of the wind can move this 20-something ton beast through the water like this, huh? I think it's really cool. All right, it finished. Much cleaner now, huh? Kazza, the laundry works at sea.
That's awesome.
Somebody has clean diapers now, huh? Clean diapers for the nugget! Yay! Woo! Woo! Rocking and rolling up here.
I'm just out here on watch and Brian is taking a nap. Sierra is taking a little nap. I mean, it's a lot different, like with only 2 people, I find. And when I say that, I mean it's definitely a lot more work when it comes to watches and stuff. But I still feel like I'm a pretty good day sleeper, so I've been able to nap today while Brian was awake for a bit. And I hope he gets some rest now because he's gonna be awake from 8 to 2 a.m. again, I guess. And yeah, I say we're doing pretty well. It is a lot harder with Sierra. I think she's quite like I don't know what the word is, but she wants to be held like all the time.
Hi.
And I would say one thing that is a lot easier with just 2 people is the food, because we've been kind of just snacking and eating like small easy things, and yeah, we haven't really felt like we needed to do like a big meal or anything. Yeah, I might just have some white rice with avocado for dinner.
Well, that sounds good.
What are you gonna have?
Beef jerky, trail mix, and 2-minute noodles.
Other than that, it's pretty much same going on since yesterday.
Alright, so I just got the latest forecast, and this is our current position right now. And I'm looking at 4 different models here, which is what I really like about Predict Wind. So this is the PWG model. You can see it shows this light kind of patch right here. This is the PWE model. It shows the same thing. The GFS does not show it, and this does not show it. And the conditions that we're seeing right now are matching this model a little bit better. And so you can see as the time progresses, that thing sort of stays there, but the breeze is more consistent up here. And so what I'm thinking about doing is changing the sails and heading a little bit more to starboard, like sort of on this direction to make some northing, just to get us a more consistent breeze for the night and hopefully a little bit better speed. So maybe it'll work, maybe it won't, but we have nothing to lose, so go ahead and ease the main sheet. Okay, Kaza, that's good. I'm just gonna furl it in a little bit now.
It is 2 a.m. I just woke up and Brian was super tired, so he just crashed. It's definitely a bit different, just 3 night watches and 2 people. Yeah. But it's a nice night. That's the end of day 2. And I have a feeling it's gonna be a really nice sunrise coming up here pretty soon. So, new video tomorrow.
Ahoy Delos tribe! Summer is fast approaching, and we just got a new batch of our solar long sleeve shirts in the shop. They're available in men's and women's sizes to fit all. So just pop on over to svdelos.com/rash guards and grab one for that special person in your life.
Now you're me.
Carol is gonna be like,
It's like,
what the shit? All I get to do now is edit slow motion baby shots.
She's gonna be
He's like, oh, what do I do for a living?
great.
Slow motion, another slow motion baby shot.
Thanks, guys.
Oh. Business in the front, party in the back.
Look at that.
Like it? I like it a lot.